Now, we're going to tackle another lesson on this video using sound blocks. We're gonna use sound blocks para mapagana natin or mapagsalita naman natin ang ating mga character. Since alam na nga natin sila kung paano mag-start on our last video, kaya na rin nilang mag-move. At the same time, kaya na rin nilang mag-animate here. Now, we're going to play some sounds for them. Let's say this guy, his name is Jaime, or let's say this guy Jaime. I will play a sound, laugh. He will laugh. Then you can see if I click this, now you can see that he's laughing. You see, every time I click this block, he laughs. He laughs until done. What about this one? Is it the same? No, it's not. So if I click this one, it's actually just the same. But if we both put stop all sounds, this one will finish first his laugh before he will stop all the sounds. But this one, kapag tumawa siya, he can't do that kasi napapatigil yung tawa niya before matapos. So unlike dito, kailangan matapos niya muna yung tawa niya bago mag-stop lahat ng sounds. Samantalang rito, kailangan ma-stop niya na kagad even though hindi pa siya tapos tumawa. So that's the purpose of stop all sounds. Now, if we try to use this one, change the pitch effect by 10. Now let's use the events kung ano yung ginawa natin last time. Yan, we're going to try and use this one muna. Pag naglagay tayo ng pitch, ibig sabihin every time na pinapatawa natin yung lalaki, tumataas yung boses niya 10 times. Yan. Change pitch effect by 10 times yung tawa niya. Diba? Mas mataas na ngayon yung boses niya. Now let's do 50 times. Diba? Mataas na. Now let's try 100. Yan na yung tawa ni Mr. Jaime. Para na siyang chipmunks. Yan. Now, what if we want it to reset? Kung gusto natin siya ibalik sa dati, we're just gonna use the clear sound effects. This one. Yan. After using the clear sound effects, babalik na sa normal yung dati niyang tawa. Then, mag-add ulit tayo ng another laugh here sa below. O, diba? Yung una niyang tawa is mas mataas yung boses compare to the last one. Diba? Kasi yung una niyang tawa is may pitch effect, then clear natin, then after that, naglagay ulit tayo ng tawa which is yung wala ng pitch effect. Yan, that's the purpose of this. Now, let's try to move this guy, Casey, kasi nga tinatawanan niya siya. So let's add some movements para makita natin natatawa talaga siya. Ay, wait lang. Now let's add. Yan. Naglagay tayo ng forever para palagi siyang diba? Para tawanan niya. Now, after that, we'll try to make Jaime na tumawa kay Casey habang she's doing a dance. Now, let's add some play sound laugh too, or let's try to change it yung laugh. Let's add another laugh, let's say. Masyado naman yun. Ito. Yan, ito. let's try to add this one para mas malakas yung tawa niya. Now, every time na sasayaw siya, tatawa din siya. Kaso nga lang, masyadong malakas yun. Now, lalagyan natin siya ng pitch effect para mas numipis yung tawa niya. Kaso nga lang, mas nagdagan pa natin ng ano. Yan. Every time na nilalagyan natin yan, tumataas yung boses niya. Now, what if we use this one instead of yung change pitch effect? We're going to set the pitch effect to 100. So what does the difference? What are the difference between the two? So this one, set pitch effect to 100. Ibig sabihin, sinaset niya kagad yung pitch effect niya tong laugh into 100. Hindi niya binabago-bago. Now, let's try. Diba? Diretso siya sa 100 yung pitch effect niya. Unlike this one, na chine-change niya ng paulit-ulit 10, every time na i-run natin to, chine-change niya yung pitch effect nitong laugh 10 times. So, then i-click ulit natin. Pataas siya na pataas. Pataas siya na pataas every time na ini-click natin itong green flag. Kasi every time na pinipindot natin siya, nag-change ng pitch effect by 10 pataas. So, ayun yung pinagkaiba nila. Unlike dito, yung set by 100, diretso na niya ang sineset sa 100. Pag pinipindot natin yan paulit-ulit, ang pitch niya palagi is nasa 100. Hindi siya nagbabago. Now, we'll try to change naman the volume. Actually, this volume is just basically the volume. Up or down. Yan, on ko yung volume. Ito yung volume ni Jaime. Pwede natin palitan ang volume niya. If click, let's add some. Now, let's add some. When sprite is click, yan. Kapag na-click natin si Jaime, mag-change yung volume niya into, let's say, minus 50. Yan. Babawasan natin ng 50 yung boses niya. Yan. Now, if we enter this one, tatawa siya. Diba? Tumatawa siya. Pero pag click natin, diba? Humihinto. Pag-change ng volume ng minus 50, ibig sabihin, nag-minus siya ng 50. Kanina, 100 to. Now, kung 50 na lang yung natitira, then, pinindot pa natin ulit si Jaime, or this sprite, babalik siya sa 0. So, wala na siyang boses. Now, let's try. O, diba? Naging 0 na yung volume ng boses niya. Kasi na-minusan siya ng another 50. Now, that's the purpose of change volume by negative 50. Now, this one is basically just the same. Halos parehas lang sila ni change volume, pero this one is the set volume by the number or the percent you want. So, pag sinabi natin 100%, change niya agad yung volume into 100%. Kung ano yung percent na nilagay mo rito, ayun yung volume na ma-change niya. Let's say, we want it to be 5. Yan. Magiging 5 yan kapag ka, or let's say, gusto natin siyang maging 0. Yan. Then, every time na i-click natin siya, lalakas siya ng boses. So, gagawin natin 150%. So, pag pinindot ko to, syempre, wala siyang boses kasi yung 0, yung volume niya is on 0. Now, if we click this guy, bigla na lang lalakas boses niya. Now, let's try it. Diba? Lumakas yung boses niya. And yung maximum nga pala ng set volume is 100% lang. Hindi siya 150. Hanggang 100% lang kasi hanggang 100% lang yung maximum. Now, ayan. Gumagana na siya. Now, that's all for our today's lesson. We simply learn how to set the volumes and the pitch of each sounds of each characters, lalong-lalo na itong si Jaime at si Casey. Si Casey kasi ang taga-sayaw natin. And we also learn how to set some of the sounds through here. We're just going to sounds, then this one. Then we're going to click what sound we'd like. Then after that, we wanna set our sounds in here. Kung ano yung gusto nating sounds, yan. Then, we've learned how to set some sounds of each character. And now we're proceeding to our next lesson, which is the control blocks, which is the if loop. Gagamit na tayo ng repeating blocks, ng looping, ng forever, ng if statement. Yan, gagamit tayo nito. Conditional blocks. Now, thanks for watching and I hope you learn from this video. See you on our next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.